Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector Cleaning Fluid is the best choice for multi-purpose fiber optic cleaning. Stay tuned to learn how to perfectly clean virtually any fiber optic connection in any configuration, in any location. Fiber optic networks demand precision cleaning. Contaminants such as dust, oils, and microscopic debris can interfere with fiber optic networks, degrading signal quality, increasing latency, and even causing failures requiring costly callbacks for rework. Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector Cleaner cleans fiber optic splices, end faces, and other optical components including glass, mirrors, and plastic lenses. Tackle all your sources of contamination including fiber sidewall in preparation for splicing. Save time with the multifunction Triton dispenser cap. It improves the cleaning efficiency of wipes, sticks, and click-to-clean tools, boosting overall technician productivity. Stop wasting fluid with Sticklers' perfectly metered dose and an extension tube for pinpoint dispensing. It won't spill, freeze, or evaporate from the container. Achieve cleaner results with the ultra-pure optical-grade cleaning fluid. It is hermetically sealed in a can and impossible to contaminate. It outperforms IPA, isopropyl alcohol, is fast-drying, and leaves no residue. Sticklers cleaning fluid will quickly dissipate static on any surface. Effective static control lessens dust that can scratch and pit end faces and cause signal loss. We'll demonstrate the 3 ways to wet-to-dry clean end faces using Sticklers cleaning fluid. Here's how to wet-to-dry clean with a Sticklers Clean Sticks cleaning stick using Sticklers cleaning fluid. Never spray the cleaning fluid directly onto the connector. Instead, moisten the stick tip, but do not saturate. Insert the damp stick into the end face, and then rotate 6 to 8 times in the same direction. When cleaning with a Sticklers Clean Clicker or other mechanical clicker tool, first apply a small dab of fluid to an optical grade wipe. Press the tip of the tool onto the moistened section of wipe. Then insert the tool into the end face to clean. To wet-to-dry clean with a wipe, use the optical grade Sticklers Clean wipes that won't leave lint behind. Wet the wipe with Sticklers cleaning fluid. Then swipe the end face from the wet-to-dry area on the wipe. To properly clean fiber optic cables before cleaving and splicing, start by opening your Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector cleaning fluid and removing 1 clean wipe from the box. Press the wipe onto the dispenser once or twice to lightly dampen it. Wrap the damp wipe around the bare fiber, gently squeeze, and slide it along the fiber toward the tip. Listen for the squeak. That sound means your fiber is thoroughly clean and ready for cleaving. With safety as the underlying goal, Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector cleaning fluid is non-flammable and compliant with European, RoHS, and REACH standards. Sticklers Fiber Optic Splice and Connector cleaning fluid is non-hazardous and non-regulated for easy storage and shipping. The 3-ounce travel size is approved for air transport, making it easy for technicians to pack into a carry-on bag. It is ideal for use in high production environments and is the perfect addition to any fiber optic cleaning kit. Visit sticklerscleaners.com to discover the complete lineup of fiber cleaning tools, including the Sticklers Pro 360 Touchless Cleaner, your go-to solution for fast, consistent cleaning in high-volume, high-density fiber environments. Find everything you need for better fiber optic cleaning at sticklerscleaners.com.